Today's date is 19th April 2022. Today's video topic is MVC architecture. The model view controller MVC is a well-known design pattern in web development field. It is a way to organize our code. It specifies that a program or application shall consist of data model, presentation information and control information. MVC pattern needs all these components to be separated as different objects. MVC advantage and disadvantage and example to understand implementation of MVC in Java. The model design based on MVC architecture follows MVC design pattern. The application logic is separated from user interface while designing software using model design. MVC pattern architecture consists of 3 layers. Model, it represents business layer of application. It is an object to carry data that also contain logic to update controller if data change. View, it represents presentation layer of application. It is used to visualize data that is model contains. And third, controller, it works on both model and view. It is used to manage the flow of application, that is data follows model object and to update view whenever data is changed. In Java programming, model contains simple Java classes. The view used to display data and controller contains servlets. Due to this separation, the user requests are processed. As a client sends a request to controller on a server side for a page, controller then calls model. It gathers requested data. After that, then controller transfer the data retrieved to view layer. Now a result is sent back to the browser by view. Advantages of MVC architecture. The advantages are first one is that MVC has a feature of scalability that in turn helps the growth of application. Components are easy to maintain because there is less dependency. A model can be used by multiple views that provides reusability of code. The developer can work with 3 layers, model, view and controller simultaneously. Using MVC, application becomes more understandable. Using MVC, each layer is maintained separately. Therefore, we do not require to deal with massive code. Implementation of MVC. To implement MVC pattern in Java, we require to create classes. First, employee class, which will act as a model layer. Then employee view class, which will act as a view layer. Employee controller class, which act as a control layer. Model layer. In a MVC design pattern, acts as a data layer for application. It represents business logic for application and also the state of application. Model object fetch and store model state in database. Using model layer, rules are applied to data that represents concept of application. View layer, as the name depicts, view represents visualization of data received from model. The view layer consists of output of application or user interface. It sends a requested data to client, that is fetched from model layer by controller. controller layer. The controller layer gets user requests from view layer and processes them with necessary validations. It acts as an interface between model and view. The requests are sent